Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. Previously, I had taught you that is the gametogenesis. By the process of gametogenesis, gametes are formed. The sperm are formed by the process of spermatozoa, that is spermatogenesis, and the ovum are produced or formed by the process of oogenesis. Then after, in the previous class, I had told you that by the process of the fertilization, that is sperm and ovum fused and forms the zygote, that is the haploid sperm, haploid ovum fused to form the diploid zygote. This process is called as the fertilization. But today I will start the process by which that is one-celled zygote is converted into a multicellular blastula, that is called as the blastula. That is a multicellular blastula, and that process is called as the cleavage. That process is known as the cleavage. That is, so our topic is the cleavage. Our topic is cleavage. So what is the meaning of that is the cleavage? Cleavage is a series of repeated mitotic division of zygote. Repeated mitotic division of the zygote to convert it into a multicellular embryological structure called as the blastula is called as the cleavage. So, प्रथमे आमे कोन देखिले ना जो प्रोसेस रे स्पर्म तयारी हला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्पर्माटोजेनेसिस, जो प्रोसेस रे ओवा तयारी हला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द oogenesis. ये जाली गला कोन ना बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ गैमेटोजेनेसिस द गैमेट्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. जो प्रोसेस रे ये दी जणो मिलित हले आ जाइगोट तयारी हला n मिसिले 2n तयारी हला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द जाइगोट. दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द फर्टिलाइजेशन. आर क्लास रे आमे फर्टिलाइजेशन ता कंप्लीट करथिले. तापरे आज आमे पढिबा दैट इज टुडेस टॉपिक इज क्लीवेज. क्लीवेज कोन द रिपीटेड माइटोटिक डिवीजन ऑफ द जाइगोट. जाइगोट रो रिपीटेड माइटोटिक डिवीजन हबो जहा द्वारा कि इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू ए मल्टीसेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लास्टुला. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्लास्टुला. द कैविटी व्हिच इज appeared inside the blastula is called as the blastocele. That is called as the blastocele. So, let me repeat again. The process by which that is a series of repeated mitotic division occurs in zygote to convert it into a multicellular embryological structure blastula is called as the cleavage. Is called as the cleavage. And it is otherwise called as that is cellulation, or it is called as the segmentation. It is otherwise called as the cellulation or that is the segmentation. Then another thing is that is by the repeated division of the zygote. Suppose this is the first division by which it converts, that is, suppose this is the zygote, by the first division it converts into two cells, that is the two-celled structure, and these cells are called as the blastomeres. These cells are called as the blastomeres. The resultant cells which are formed by the repeated mitotic division, these cells are called as the blastomeres. These are called as the blastomeres. But actually these cells are arranged very closely and forms a mass of cell. And the first solid mass of cell is called as the morula. At first, that is when by the repeated mitotic division, the number of the cell will increase, and these cells are attached to each other and forms a mass, and the solid mass of cell or the structure is called as the morula. Then after, an empty cavity is appeared in the center and the cells are mostly arranged to the periphery, and this is called as the blastula. So the end product of the cleavage is called as the blastula. Then after, the gastrulation is there. Then after, the organogenesis is there. So many things. But your course includes up to the cleavage. So this is the cleavage. Cleavage is a repeated, that is a series of repeated mitotic division of the zygote which convert it into a multicellular structure called as the blastula. So, or it is called as the cellulation or the segmentation. Then these resultant cells which are formed, they are called as the blastomeres. Then after, you come to, that is why it is called as the cleavage. It is a mitotic division, and that mitotic division occurs totally in our body cells, everywhere. But why it is called it? This is a type of mitosis. But why it is called as the cleavage? Because it has some characteristics, that is which deviates from the normal cleavage. So it is called as, and it occurs only in the zygote. So it is called as the cleavage. So what are these points, or what are the, that is important points? Let me, that is describe one by one. In ordinary mitotic division, one cell, after attaining its full structure, it divides into two cells, and that cells must be smaller than its parent cell. And mitotic divisions is equational division, that is where, that is the parent cell, that is chromosome number of the daughter cell will similar with the parent cell. So this is the daughter cell. This is the mitotic division. After that, again this cell enlarges or grows and to forms, that is the structure of a, that is the maximum structure or maximum size. Then after, again, that is the division occurs and it forms the daughter cell. So the mitotic division occurs like this. Suppose aji gote chheli छुआ देला, से छेली छुआटा काली की छुआ दबनी, से छुआटा किसी समय नब, किसी दिन नब, जेतले से पुणी बड़ा हबो, तापर मैच्युरेशन हबो, तापर पिला दबो. So the division of the cell is nothing but the reproduction of the cell, because it also increases the number, then after it grows to its maximum size, then after it divides. So this time taken for the growth is called as the growth phase, or it is called as the preparatory phase. And like in our, that is we are taking, that is 2 to 3 years or 1 to 2 years for the preparation for the exam. But the exam is only 3 hours. The exam is only 3 hours. But we are preparing ourselves, that is for 1 to 2 years. Similarly, जतम जिमिति preparatory time besi, similarly growth phase by preparatory phase is more time, then it's a division. We know the cell cycle ta, that is di bhagare vibhakta heichi, that is the from this to this, it is called as the interphase. Interphase or preparatory phase. But this short period contains 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And this is the exam point of view. That is the examination, but this is the preparation. This time is preparation. Similarly, in ordinary cell, that is the growth period is prolonged one. It takes more time to prepare itself for the next cell division. So, but it is in a normal cell division. But in case of the cleavage, the division is a rapid one. The division is a rapid one. It takes very less time or no time for the preparation, or that is for the preparatory phase or the growth phase. This is the main difference between the ordinary mitosis and the cleavage. In the cleavage, there is the growth phase is very, very short, or the preparatory phase is very, very short. In case of the normal fertility, that is the mitosis, the growth phase is prolonged one. Clear? Then, so this is the first in most characteristics difference between the cleavage and the mitosis. And the cleavage occurs only in the zygote, but mitosis takes everywhere of the body. Then, for the rapid division, the DNA replication, protein synthesis is rapid with the consumption of more amount of oxygen at the time of cleavage. जहाँद्वारा कि से समय कौन करिवो ना डीएनए रिप्लिकेशन बा डीएनए डुप्लिकेशन शीघ्र हबो, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस रैपिड हबो, आउ ऑक्सीजन कंजम्पशन बेसी हबो कारण ये अल्प समय रे अधिका काम करि पकौछि. सो इट विल टेक मोर ऑक्सीजन. जेमिति आमे गोटे डिस्टेंस को पहुंचवा पई दौड़ी जाउचे, सो आमे कोन करछ हमर ब्रीथिंग ता बढ़ुची. सेमिति and that is nature loves symmetry. मु बहुत थर कहिछि nature loves symmetry. सबु जिंस पृथ्वी रे समान प्रकार रे एका प्रकार रे हुए. सो जिमिति आमे दौड़िले अधिका अल्प समय भितर जदि आमे कवर करछे बेसिका रेस्पिरेशन रेट करछे, सेमिति जतले सेल तारो डिविजन ता रैपिड करिवो, सो इट विल टेक मोर ऑक्सीजन, रैपिड ऑक्सीजन बार मोर ऑक्सीजन टू फुलफिल द that is the requirement. Then after, another thing is that is at the time of division, fertilize, that is the cleavage, the amount of cytoplasm is more and the nucleus amount is less, and it is about 1:550. That is the cytoplasm and this is the nucleus. For the nucleus, if the nucleus is 1, then the cytoplasmic amount is 550 times higher. हमें जानी छे जे सेल केतोले डिवीजन हुए ना जेतोले साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स along with the cytoplasm amount बढ़ी जाए, न्यूक्लियस आउ ताको कंट्रोल करि पारे नाही, सेतोले ये ताको डिवीजन करे. तेणु एटी जेतोले न्यूक्लियस रे अमाउंट बहुत कम, साइटोप्लाज्म रे अमाउंट बहुत बेसी, तेणु एटी रिपीटेड डिवीजन हुए. ये डिवीजन ता कोन हुए ना it takes place, that is by the repeated division, gradually the ratio increases. And when it reaches at, that is the normal position or normal ratio, that is called the karyocytoplasmic ratio. Karyo means nucleus, cytoplasm. There is a definite ratio between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. When that ratio will be that is the normal, or it will be normalized, at that times there is no cleavage, then the ordinary division will occur. So this is another thing. And another thing is that is the rate of the division is variable, and that variation depends upon the temperature as well as the concerned species. The temperature as well as the concerned species. Then at that times, since there is no growth, so the blastomeres are not increasing. The जदियो number of division बड़ी चली, repeated division होची, number बढ़ुची, किंतु size आस्ते आस्ते छोट होची, कारण growth phase सेठी हो nahi. So that is the by the repeated, in this case the size of the blastomeres that is decreasing, but their number is increasing. Tanka number boduchi kintu size aste aste komuchi. So this is the main difference between that is the cleavage and the ordinary mitosis. First of all mu kon koili na ek number jinsata ko ame dekhiba, there is no growth phase, jodi growth phase न होउची ताने सेल डिवीजन पई कोन दरकार, डीएनए रिप्लिकेशन दरकार, प्रोटीन दरकार, तेणु एटा रैपिड तयारी हवा दरकार. जेतले रैपिड हबो से ऑक्सीजन टाको शीघ्र शीघ्र बेसिका कंज्यूम करिवो, एटा आसीबो. तापर कोन हबो, जेहेतु ग्रोथ फेज नाही तेणु सेल गुडा काउ बढ़ू नाही. नंबर ऑफ सेल आर इंक्रीजिंग बट द साइज इज डिक्रीजिंग, सो द साइज ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग. देन आफ्टर आउटा कोन होउची ना, जेहेतु सेल मानकर मूवमेंट नाही तेणु शेप ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो इज आल्सो दैट इज द रिमेनिंग कांस्टेंट, इज आल्सो रिमेनिंग कांस्टेंट. देन आफ्टर आउ कोन होउची ना, सेल टा केतळे डिवीजन हुए ना, जेतळे गुटे अमाउंट ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म along with साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स बढ़ी जाए न्यूक्लियस थारु, कारण न्यूक्लियस होची कंट्रोल रूम, साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स होची तार गोटे गोटे ऑर्गेनेल जेमिति काम करिवे. जेमिति सपोज इन योर हाउस, सपोज तुम जेजे अच्छा, जेजेकर 5टा पुओ समस्त 10-10टा पुओ, जेजे कौन कहे कहे नाई रे मुझे तुमको चल पारे, तुम ए भाग हो जाओ. ठीक सेमती जिते नंबर ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्मिक ऑर्गेनेल्स विल बी मोर in comparison to the capacity of the nucleus, it causes the cell division, it causes the cell division. तेणु ये सेल डिवीजन रे क्लीवेज रे कौन हुए, न्यूक्लियस रे अमाउंट बहुत कम थाए, साइटोप्लाज्म रे अमाउंट बहुत बेसी थाए. तेणु रिपीटेड डिवीजन हेले तार अमाउंट बा तार रेशियोटा आस्ते आस्ते बढ़े जेतले नॉर्मल जेतले से माने पहुंची जिवे नॉर्मल स्टेज रे, जेतले ताकर डिवीजन ता आसी केतले नॉर्मल सेल सहित समान हे जिवो, सेतले से आउ क्लीवेज करिवे नाही, सेतले क्लीवेज ता इरेगुलर हो. तेणु अर्ली क्लीवेज आर synchronous, that is the early cleavage are synchronous means suppose एटा गोटा सेल, ए सेल टारे एटा फर्स्ट डिवीजन हला, दुटा सेल सेकंड डिवीजन हला, चारटा सेल हला, थर्ड डिवीजन बेले दुटा लाइन रे डिवीजन हबो, कारण ये दुटा डिवीजन होचे, ए दुटा डिवीजन होउनी, तेनु थर्ड डिवीजन ता दुटा फॉर रे डेवलप करिवो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द थर्ड क्लीवेज. सो एटा को कहती दैट इज सिंक्रोनियस, ता माने जतले डिवीजन हबो सब सेल रे डिवीजन हबो, किंतु ए सिंक्रोनियस ता एसिंक्रोनियस हे जिवो केतबळे ना, जेतले एसिंक्रोनियस केतबळे हबो ना, किछि परे फास्ट माइटोसिस गुडा को कोन हबो बा फास्ट क्लीवेज गुडा को कोन हबो ना, सिंक्रोनियस हबो. बट आफ्टर दैट it is called as the asynchronous, or asynchronous means that is आउ से डिवीजन गुडाक सेमिति माने इरेगुलर हबो, रोटेशनल हबो, केइटा तो वर्टिकल हलानी, केइटा ट्रांसवर्स हलानी, एमिति रोटेशनल हे जिवो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट that is the introduction of cleavage and how that is the cleavage is separated from that normal mitosis. Let me start that is the plane of a cleavage. The plane of the next is the plane of cleavage. Generally the cleavage is initiated by forming a groove or a constriction. The cleavage means division. The division appears by the formation of a groove or a constriction. This is the groove or a constriction. The cleavage appears. Then this, that is the furrow, or this is called as the cleavage furrow. This is called as the cleavage furrow. This is called as the cleavage furrow. And this cleavage furrow is occurs in 4 planes. First one, is called as meridional. Meridional. That is meridional cleavage. The first one is called as the meridional. That is meridional, that is the plane. What is the meridional plane? In the meridional plane, suppose this is the egg and this is the animal pole and this is the vegetal pole. You know what is the animal pole? That is which is closer to the pole, which is closer to the nucleus is called as the animal pole. And in meridional plane, the cleavage starts from the animal pole and ends at the vegetal pole. But it must passes through the, that is, it must passes through the center, or it passes along with the, that is axial, that is the polar axis, with the polar axis. Polar axis is a imaginary line which that is the connect the animal pole with the vegetal pole. That is, it is an imaginary line which connect the animal pole with the vegetal pole, that is called as the polar axis. A polar axis saito jodi parallel heiki gola, then this is called as the meridional plane. Then the second one is called as, and the meridional, that is the plane occurs in the, that is the first cleavage in frog, cheek and the lepidosteus. Lepidosteus is a fish. That is the fish, that is the fish, that is, it occurs the first cleavage of the frog, then that is the cheek and the lepidosteus re eta kon na meridional cleavage ba plane or division ta hue. Then second one is vertical plane. Vertical plane. So what is vertical plane? The vertical plane is also, that is where the division starts from the animal pole and ends towards the vegetal pole, but not at the center. But not at the center, in the two sides. In the two sides, this is called as the vertical plane. And the vertical plane type of cleavage occurs, that is the third cleavage in cheek and lepidosteus. Third cleavage in cheek and lepidosteus. Then you come to the third one, that is called as the equatorial plane. Equatorial plane. What is equatorial plane? Here, that is the plane of division is horizontal. The plane of division is horizontal, and it must pass through the center, and which is perpendicular to the polar axis. Which is perpendicular to the polar axis. It is called as the equational plane. Equatorial plane. This is called as the equatorial plane. Then you come to the fourth one, that is called as the latitudinal plane. Latitudinal plane. Latitudinal plane. In case of the latitudinal plane, what happens? Actually, it is, these divisions are also transverse, but they are not at the center, on the two sides of the center. So this type of cleavage is, or this type of, that is the plane of cleavage furrow is called as the latitudinal, that is plane. And it occurs in the third cleavage in frog and amphioxus. Third cleavage of frog and amphioxus. Then that is the, you come to the types of cleavage. The types, this is the planes of cleavage. Are you understanding me or not? Cleavage ta prathame start hobo kimiti, by appearance of a furrow or a groove. Furrow or a groove মানে গাত ভলিয়া দেখাଯିବ কোটি না এগ উপরে তেন যতବେଳେ দেখাଯିବ সেই এই যে ফরো এই যে ক্লিভেজ দ্যাট ইজ কোয়াগলা ক্লিভেজ ফরো এই ক্লিভেজ ফরোটা এপিয়ার করিব চারিটা প্লেন রে চারি প্রকার রে গোটা হলা মেরিডিয়ানাল মানে এনিমাল পোল रो आरंभ হবो एंड वेजेटल पोल रे सरीबो आउ एटा पास करिवो काहा भितरे ना दैट इज द पोलर एक्सिस मध्य देई के एटा पास करिवो सेंटर देई के आसीबो एटा हला मेरिडियनल प्लेन तापरे वर्टिकल को ना एटा भी दीटा जाको समान विथ द मेरिडियनल किंतु एटा सेंटर रे नुहे साइड की जीवो सो दिस आर द वर्टिकल प्लेन आउ गोटे इक्वेटर आमे भूगोल रे पढिचे इक्वेटर दैट इज मझिरे एटा एमते ट्रांसवर्स हबो दिस इज इक्वेटर आउ गोटे होची कोन ना दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लैटिट्यूडिनल द साइड रे जीवो नॉट एट द सेंटर सो दिस आर द दैट इज द प्लेन्स ऑफ द क्लीवेज ए प्लेन ले हबो तापर आज आसीबा टाइप्स ऑफ क्लीवेज टाइप्स ऑफ क्लीवेज that is the types of cleavage the types of cleavage is of two types is of mainly two types कहीं टू टाइप्स है ना एटा कहा ऊपर डिपेंड करके है ना डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अमाउंट ऑफ यॉक प्रेजेंट इन द एग present that is depending upon the amount of yolk present in the egg because the yolk behaves as or act as inert material which prevent that is which suppose here that is the yolk is present and here the furrow of division is passing here or the cleavage furrow passing so that is the yolk makes an obstacle for the proceeding of the cleavage pan. So that is depending upon the amount of yolk that is the cleavage is of two types. One is holoblastic cleavage, another is meroblastic cleavage. One is holoblastic cleavage, another is meroblastic cleavage. Holoblastic, first let me describe what is the holoblastic cleavage. Holoblastic cleavage means holo means whole. Holo means whole. That is here the total egg is completely divided into two parts. The divisions are complete. The divisions are complete. That means जदि गुटा side गुटा egg को से complete division करियो that is called as the holoblastic cleavage. एगुडा के केटी हबो ना इन microlecithal egg in the microlecithal and mesolecithal egg. ए दी प्रकार एग रे हबो कोटी कोटी हबो ना इन microlecithal egg and mesolecithal egg रे एटा holoblastic cleavage हबो. Microlecithal पुनी एटा holoblastic cleavage ता पुनी दी प्रकार गुटे unequal holoblastic that is holoblastic equal and holoblastic unequal. Unequal. Holoblastic equal and holoblastic unequal. Holoblastic equal माने एठी जो first division हला suppose this is the first division and this is the second division perpendicular to the first one. The third division is will occur transversely and at the center. जा द्वारा कि ऊपर टायर एठी सेल गुडा को दीटा लेयर रे सजेबे ऊपरे मनकर चारटा सेल तळे मनकर चारटा सेल ये सब सेल गुडा का इक्वल साइज हेबे ये सब सेल गुडा इक्वल साइज हेबे सेठी को आगला holoblastic equal एटा केठी हबो ना microlecithal as well as isolecithal egg that means अल्प परिमाण यक रहइबो आउ से यक त चारियारे समान भाबरे खेलै की थिबो जेटा की ए डिवीजन को आदो ऑब्स्ट्रैकल दबो नहीं तेन सेटा हला holoblastic equal किंतु mesolecithal egg and telolecithal mesolecithal egg रे कोन हबो ना यक ता टिके मॉडरेट अमाउंट रहइबो आ सेटा रहइबो कोठी की ना टुवर्ड्स द वेजिटल पोल जा द्वारा कि डिवीजन ता आउ ता माने सपोज फर्स्ट डिवीजन ता हला वर्टिकल सेकंड डिवीजन ता वर्टिकल थर्ड डिवीजन ता ये तोला आडी कि नहै कि ऊपर आडी हेइबो तनो ऊपर सेल गुडा को हेबे दीटा टायर में तले सजै कि रहिबे तळे ऊपर चारटा सेल तळे चारटा सेल तनो ऊपर चारटा सेल हेबो माइक्रोमियर्स आ तळ चारटा सेल हेबो मैक्रोमियर्स सो एई प्रकार रे कोन हबो ना holoblastic division हला holoblastic equal and holoblastic unequal then holoblastic means complete division where the egg is completely divided into two parts that is called as the holoblastic एथिरे ओ egg रे हबो ना microlecithal and mesolecithal egg रे ए प्रकार division हबो पुनी holoblastic ता दी भाग रे विभक्त holoblastic equal and holoblastic unequal हलोब्लास्टिक इक्वाल हेले एठी जो सेल गुडाक करस्पोंडिंग सेल गुडाक बाहरिबे से माने समान साइज हेबे ता माने एठी यकटा कोन हेतिबो एठी कम हेतिबो आ सेटा सबु आडे समान भाबरे सजेई की रहितिबो तेनो एटा को गला हलोब्लास्टिक इक्वाल किंतु मिजोलेसिथाल एग हेतिबो आ टिलोलेसिथाल टिलोलेसिथाल मींस दैट इज द यक इज concentrated towards the vegetal pool सही समय डिवीजन फर्स्ट डिवीजन सेकंड डिवीजन हे जिवो थर्ड डिवीजन ता मझिरे न होई कि टिके ऊपर को हबो ऊपर को हेले ऊपर सेल गुडा को छोटो हेबे तळ सेल गुडा को बडो हेबे तेनु ऊपर गुडा को आगला माइक्रोमियर्स आ तळ गुडा को आगला मैक्रोमियर्स ए गुडा को केइटी हुए ना डिप्रोय रे हुए दैट इज इन केस ऑफ द फ्रॉग्स दैट इज ए गुडा होची दैट इज द हलोब्लास्ट तापर आसबा मीरोब्लास्टिक क्लीवेज कोठी ना इनकम्प्लीट बा पार्शियल क्लीवेज इनकम्प्लीट बा पार्शियल माने एठी डिवीजन टा कंप्लीट होबो नाही अल्प बाटा आसी रहि जिवो बा दिस डिवीजन इज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू ए सर्टेन पार्ट ऑफ द एग गुटे एग रो कोनोसी गुटे पार्ट रे ए डिवीजन टा रेस्ट्रिक्ट होबो आउ चारियाडे ता डिवीजन होबोनी सो इट इज इनकम्प्लीट और इट इज कॉल्ड एज द पार्शियल डिवीजन एटा दी प्रकार होबो एटा होबो केइटी ना एटा होबो सेंट्रोलेसिथाल एक्स as well as that is the macrolecythal বা এটা polylecythal x polylecythal macrolecythal বা polylecythal x রে এটা হবো আউ হচ্ছে centrolecythal কেটি centro insect মানকরে centrolecythal তেণু macrolecythal that is macrolecythal বা polylecythal লে কোন হবো ना एट हम डिस्कॉइडाल ए डिवीजन ना होची डिस्कॉइडाल माने एठी एग रो चारि आडे भर्ती हेतिबो यक केवल अल्प पोर्शन ले कोन हेतिबो ना न्यूक्लियस साइटोप्लाज्म न्यूक्लियस एमति थिबो गुटे रेस्ट्रिक्टेड पार्ट रे ताकू कुहा जाय जर्मिनल डिस्क बा ताकू जर्म डिस्क बा ताकू कोनती ब्लास्टो डिस्क आ जतबले एई जगह रे डिवीजन हबो सेटा को कहला डिस्कॉइडाल जतबले सेई जगह रे रेस्ट्रिक्टेड हे गला डिवीजन ता तन सेटा को कहला डिस्कॉइडाल सिमिलरली एटा कोठी हबो ना बार्ड आउ रेप्टाइल मान करे जोटी एगटा होची मैक्रोलेसिथाल बा पॉलीलेसिथाल एटी कोन हेची ना यक इज कंप्लीटली दैट इज कवर्स द टोटल एग एक्सेप्ट ए स्मॉल रीजन where the yolk free cytoplasm containing the nucleus is present. At that region is called as the blastodisc or germinal disc. And when the division is restricted that area, it is called as the discoidal, that is the cleavage. Then another is called as the centrolecythal. In the centrolecythal egg, that is the division is superficial. The division is superficial. That is in miroblastic cleavage, one is that is the discoidal, another is the superficial cleavage. सुपरफिशियल क्लीवेज रे कोन हो इंसेक्ट माने करे एटा होची एग यार मझी रे रहिबो यक आउ साइटोप्लाज्म आउ न्यूक्लियस ता रहिबो पेरिफेरी रे तेनो एटी कोन हो ता प्रथमे न्यूक्लियस ता माइटोटिक बा डिवीजन ले एमिति गुडाए न्यूक्लियाई रे परिणत हो जिवे आउ समान पेरिफेरी की चली जिवे आउ प्रति न्यूक्लियस ता किछि साइटोप्लाज्म नै कि गोटे सेल रे कन्वर्ट हे जिवे एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सुपरफिशियल क्लीवेज ऊपरे डिवीजन हला सुपरफिशियल ऊपरे दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सुपरफिशियल क्लीवेज दिस क्लीवेज is restricted superficially so and it is found in case of the insect so this is all about the types of cleavage. Then how did you 20-25 minutes बंद कर दो how then the next आर क्लास रे पढ़ी दबा जति कि आ रोइला बाकी मु आर क्लास रे शेष कर दे